Friends, today we will discuss about the earthing system arrangement. There are three types of earthing system. Number one is TNS system. Number two is TNC-S. And number three is TT earthing system. In the TNS earthing system, our conductor arrangement will be like this: three phases, L1, L2 and L3. This one is for neutral, and the fifth one is our earthing. Let's consider this is our distribution board, our consumer's distribution board. L1, L2, L3, neutral and earthing. So our wiring arrangements will be like this in our TNS system. Now we will check TNC-S system. TNC-S earthing arrangement system, our wiring arrangements or our incoming power cable will be like this: L1, L2, L3, and the fourth wire is combined neutral and earth. And in our distribution board, conductor arrangement will be like this: L1, L2, L3, neutral, earth. So it will come like this: L1, L2, L3, combined neutral and earth, and this is our earthing terminal. In the TT system, our conductor arrangement will be like this: L1, L2, L3 and neutral. Let's consider this is our distribution board. So this is L1, L2, L3, and neutral. L1, L2, L3, and neutral. Will not provided by the distribution company, so we will arrange our own earthing system. This is the TT system of power supply.